Hi there, my name is Henry from PocketSurvey. This brief video will give you an overview of the PS Cloud Plan Maintenance software. This fantastic software runs on all devices, including iPads, iPhones, Android tablets and phones, and web browsers. Our PS Cloud surveying apps will help you collect data using mobile devices and produce your final inspection reports with minimal effort. The software looks similar on all devices and shows your building, item and client information in easy-to-navigate screens. It's designed for fat fingers on mobile devices and works great on your desktop computer as well. You will enjoy using the software because it's so easy to use. There are many advanced features of the app, such as a calendar showing your jobs, maps for directions where you can navigate using Google Maps. There is a handy progress screen showing a pipeline of your jobs. The app is very customizable with the app design feature. You can configure the items and their descriptions that appear in the drop-down menu lists. Help is built into the software, but you can always take advantage of our free support. To learn more about this fantastic software, fill in the form on this page, book an online demonstration, or do both. Thanks for watching.